Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinabex. Next problem is involve the concept of Venn diagram. It is from Geodetic Engineering Board, February 1994. The problem states that a survey of 100 persons revealed that 72 of them had eaten at restaurant P and that 52 of them had eaten at restaurant Q. Find the number of persons in the survey who had eaten at both P and Q. Again, the first step is let X equivalent to the number of persons who have eaten in both restaurants. And the second step is to draw circles overlapping each other. And let us represent circles on the left side. Okay, circle P. Right? P, and the second circle is Q. Okay, and the center space kung saan sila nag-overlap, okay, ito yung persons na kumain at restaurant P and at restaurant Q. The one na hinahanap natin. So, let us represent this at X. At yung space na natira dito sa circle P, so ito yung mga tao na kumain lang doon sa restaurant P. So, meron silang 72, di ba? So, total na 72. So, we have 72. So, minus X. So, and for the right side or for the restaurant Q, ang mga kumain dito ay 52. So, a total of 52. Then, minus X. That's complete our Venn diagram. And after this, pwede na tayong makapag-create ng ating equation. So, therefore, ang ating third step, which is yung equation. So, we will just going to sum up all the persons and equal this to 100. So, 72 minus X. Again, ito yung mga tao na kumain lang sa restaurant P. Okay. Plus, yung mga tao na kumain both at restaurant P and restaurant Q. Then, plus, the quantity, yung mga tao na kumain lang sa restaurant Q. And ang total nila ay equivalent to 100. Okay. This is our equation. And to find X, we need to simplify. Okay. Negative X plus X minus X. So we have negative X. So equivalent to 100. Anyway, pareho kung napanood nyo yung aking last 2 videos. So, pareho lang yung ating process kung paano ginagawa. Okay? So, 100 transpose yung 52. So, we have negative 52. Transpose yung 72 minus 72. So, negative X, therefore, so equivalent to, so we have negative 24. So, the X, therefore, so equivalent to 24. So, ito yung ating sagot. Ayan. So, finalize ko lang yung ating answer. There are 24 persons in the group who had eaten at both restaurant T and restaurant Q. Restaurant Q. And that's all. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, more examples regarding this topic. Thank you. Pinoy Bix.